May I have my Lord's kind permission to commence the official prayer program? Thank you, my Lord. I request my Lord, Honorable Chief Justice, to kindly deliver the farewell address.
Brother Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta and my esteemed colleagues, Law Officer of the Central Government and the State of Madhya Pradesh, Chairman Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, the Presidents and Executive Members of all the Bar Associations, the Registrar General and Officers of the Registry, learned member of the Bar and family members of Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta. We have gathered here today to bid an affectionate farewell to Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta, whose contribution to the legal system have left an indelible mark. While it is difficult to put into words the depth of respect and admiration we all have for Justice Gupta, we stand here with immense gratitude for the incredible service rendered by him over the years. Justice Gupta's journey through the judiciary has been a testament to dedication, perseverance, and excellence. He was born on 1st April 1963. After obtaining LLB degree, he joined Madhya Pradesh Higher Judicial Service as District Judge entry level on 31st July 2002 and reached up to District and Session Judge. Justice Gupta was elevated as a judge of this court on 15th February 2022. Throughout his tenure as a judge of the High Court, he has disposed of various important cases. In case of Satish Chandra and another versus Gordon alias Dashrath, in appeal number 120 of 2022, having discussed pronouncement delivered by the Apex Court, it was held that Order 41, Rule 23 of the Code of Civil Procedure applies when the trial court disposes of the entire suit by recording its finding on a preliminary issue without deciding any other issue, and Rule 25 of Order 41 of the Code of Civil Procedure applies when the appellate court notices an omission on the part of trial court to frame or try any issue or to determine any question of fact which in the opinion of the appellate court are essential to the right decision of the suit upon the merit. In case of deceased Ganya, son of Mohan Bill and others versus Rich and others, in second appeal number 1543 of 2023, while dismissing the second appeal, it was held that possession of one co-owner is considered in a law as possession of all the co-owners unless contrary is proved. There is no material to show that on what point of time and in whose presence the oral partition had taken place, and as to when and how the suit turned adverse. In another case of Akash versus State of Madhya Pradesh, in criminal appeal number 3229 of 2020, it was held that the grounds that the case diary has various omissions and contradictions will not give benefit of doubt to the convicted persons. The court has to consider material facts and circumstances of each case. Minor contradictions or discrepancies are natural. It will not affect the credibility of witnesses' evidence. Justice Gupta has not only been symbol of integrity and impartiality but also a mentor and guiding light for many. Over the years, we all have witnessed his unwavering commitment to uphold the rule of law and ensuring that justice is delivered without fear or favor. The principle of fairness, transparency, and diligence have been consistently reflected in his decisions and judgment. Throughout his tenure, he has also not only made significant contributions to the legal system but has also shaped the career of many young lawyers and judicial officers who have had privilege of working under his guidance. I am sure that even after retirement, he would always be eager to lend his helping hand whenever the situation arises. I, on behalf of my esteemed colleagues, wish Shri Justice Gupta and Smith Madhu Gupta a very happy, contented, and peaceful life. Jai Bharat.
I request Additional Advocate General Sri Harpreet Singh Rupra to deliver his farewell speech.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Shri Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta ji, Honorable companion judges, friends and family members of Honorable Shri Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta ji, respected speakers, Registrar General and officers of the registry, esteemed members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have gathered here to bid farewell to an exceptional judge and a stalwart of justice, Honorable Shri Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta. His Lordship embarked on his academic journey by obtaining his law degree, equipping himself with the knowledge and wisdom that would guide his distinguished career. Little did anyone know then that his Lordship was destined to rise to great heights within the judicial system. His Lordship joined the Madhya Pradesh Higher Judicial Service as a district judge at the entry level in the year 2002, a humble beginning that soon saw him earn the respect and admiration of everyone he worked with. Throughout his illustrious career, his Lordship served in multiple capacities, handling significant judicial responsibilities across several districts. His Lordship's deep understanding of law, impartiality, and commitment to the cause of justice made a lasting impact wherever he went. The zenith of his Lordship's career came on 15th of February 2022, when his Lordship was elevated as Judge of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh. This moment marked a significant milestone not only in his career but also in the judicial system of Madhya Pradesh. His Lordship's tenure at the High Court has been marked by fairness, clarity, and a deep understanding of law, which he has applied with utmost integrity. As we bid farewell to Honorable Shri Justice Gupta today, we celebrate his contributions, his pursuit of justice, his compassionate approach towards litigants, and his commitment to ensuring the integrity of the judicial process. His Lordship's judgments will continue to shape the course of justice long after his retirement. I, on behalf of the Honorable Advocate General, the State of Madhya Pradesh, and all law officers of the State of Madhya Pradesh, as well as on my own behalf, express our heartfelt gratitude to His Lordship for his years of dedicated service. We wish Your Lordship, Mrs. Gupta, and family good health, peace, happiness, and all the best for the future endeavors.
I request Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India, Gwalior, Sri Parveen Kumar Nevaskar to deliver his farewell speech.
Honorable the Chief Justice, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Honorable Sri Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta and all company judges sitting on dais, Sri Harpreet Singh Rupra, Additional Advocate General for the State of Madhya Pradesh and other law officers, Sri Radhilal Gupta, Chairman State Bar Council Madhya Pradesh, Sri Amit Jain, Senior Vice President, High Court Bar Association Jabalpur, Sri Ritesh Nani, President High Court Bar Association Indore, Sri Pawan Pathak, President High Court Bar Association Gwalior, Sri Sanjay Agrawal, President High Court Bar Association Jabalpur, Sri Aditya Adhikari, General Secretary, Senior Advocates Council Jabalpur, Registrar General, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Jabalpur, and Officer of the Registry and staff. Today we assembled here to bid a farewell and official farewell to Honorable Sri Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta, who is debuting office of this Honorable Court. Born on 1st April 1960, His Lordship joined the judicial services on 31st July 2002 as an officiating district judge in the higher judicial services. His Lordship was granted selection grade with effect from 30th September 2009 as super time scale from 1st of June 2017. During his Lordship tenure as a judicial officer, His Lordship was posted at Jabalpur, Shahjahanpur, Umaria, Mandla, Manawar, District Dhar, Panna, Sindhi, Morena, Gwalior, and Ujjain. His Lordship has worked as Principal Registrar of Vigilance, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Jabalpur, and District Judge Inspection, Gwalior. His Lordship was also posted as Principal District Judge of Ujjain on 15th February 2022, His Lordship was elevated as Honorable Judge of the Honorable Court. Chief Justice Prakash Gupta has delivered some landmark judgments in which the High Court of Madhya Pradesh reflecting his legal acumen and approach. The judgment of one by Lords would enlighten the judicial fraternity and would also be great assistant to bench and bar time to time come. My Lord, Justice is a very kind-hearted person, a very gentle soul, and good human being. We all miss your Lordships immensely. Various judgment given by my Lord will definitely guide us in years to come. I, my own behalf, also on behalf of Mr. Pushpendra Yadav and Shri Himanshu Joshi, Deputy Solicitor Generals, Jabalpur and Gwalior, as well as on behalf of Union of India, convey our expresses gratitude to all the faith and trust of my Lord, and has bestowed upon them, guided us towards excellence. Thank you.
I request Chairman State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, Sri Radhilal Gupta, to deliver his farewell speech.
My Lord Honorable Shri Justice Suresh Kumar Kaid, the Chief Justice, High Court of Madhya Pradesh. My Lord Honorable Justice Shri Prakash Chandra Gupta, Honorable Judge, High Court of Madhya Pradesh. My Lords Honorable Judges, High Court of Madhya Pradesh. Shri Harpreet Rupra, Additional Advocate General. Shri Praveen Kumar Nivaskar, Deputy Solicitor General of Union of India. Shri Amit Jain, Vice President, High Court Bar Association, Jabalpur. Shri Ritesh Inani, President, High Court Bar Association, Indore. Shri Pawan Pathak, President, High Court Bar Association, Gwalior. Shri Sanjay Agarwal, President, High Court Advocates Bar Association, Jabalpur. And Shri Aditya Adhikari, General Secretary, Senior Advocates Council, and respected judicial officers and my fellow advocates. With a heavy heart, we all have gathered here to bid farewell to Honorable Shri Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta, who is departing the office on 31st March 2025. I am privileged to get this rare opportunity to wish my Lord, Honorable Justice Shri Prakash Chandra Gupta, who is an embodiment of success earned through sheer hard work, sincerity, and dedication. My Lord, after completing education, joined Madhya Pradesh Higher Judicial Service as District Judge in the year 2002, then continued as District and Session Judge in various districts. My Lord rendered services in various capacities, including Principal Registrar Vigilance and District Judge in the High Court, District Judge Inspection, High Court of Madhya Pradesh. My Lord was elevated as a Judge of High Court of Madhya Pradesh on 15th February 2022. The great achievement of my Lord is his acceptability by the advocates, litigants, and common men. For a judge, if they feel and realize that before that court they shall get justice, then judge has succeeded and justifies occupying the chair of high office of the said judiciary. My Lord Sri Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta has achieved the same. My Lord Justice Sri Prakash Chandra Gupta has never shrinked him from his responsibilities in dispensation of justice because of his best knowledge in every branch of law. My Lord has never faced any difficulty in dealing with law. In his career as judge, he believed only in performing his duties to the best of his ability and knowledge. My Lord Justice Sri Prakash Chandra Gupta is capable to solve any serious problem in a very light and easy mood. My Lord is very prompt in reaching to the correct conclusion and solution to any problem. I, on behalf of State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, on behalf of Advocates of Madhya Pradesh, and my own behalf, wish my Lord all the best for the days to come and wish you and your family a happy and healthy life. Thank you.
I request Senior Vice President, High Court Bar Association, Jabalpur, Sri Amit Jain, to deliver his farewell speech.
Honorable the Chief Justice Sri Suresh Kumar Kaid Sahab, Honorable Sri Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta ji, all Honorable Judges of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh, friends and family members of the Honorable Justice Sri P.C. Gupta ji, Sri Harpreet Singh Rupra, Additional Advocate General of MP, Sri Praveen Kumar Nivaskar, Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India Gwalior, Sri Radhilal Gupta, Chairman State Bar Council of MP, Sri Ritesh Inani, President High Court Bar Association Indore, Sri Pawan Pathak, President High Court Bar Association Gwalior, Sri Sanjay Agarwal, President High Court Advocates Bar Association Jabalpur, Sri Aditya Adhikari, General Secretary, Senior Advocates Council Jabalpur, respected Registrar General and officers of the Registry, esteemed members of the Bar, ladies and gentlemen. Today we assembled here to bid a farewell to the Honorable Sri Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta ji, who is departing the office of the Judge of this Honorable Court after a long distinguished career. After joining the Higher Judicial Services as District Judge entry level on July 31st, 2002, my Lord has elevated as Judge of this Honorable Court on February 15, 2022. During his successful tenure, my Lord has delivered many decisions of high precedential value in civil and criminal matters. It is indeed difficult to spell out the plethora of judgments which hear testimony of his judicial qualities. Today we are losing another excellent judge, especially when our High Court is running in shortage of judges. Sir, your deep concern about speedy justice is really mean to the institution. My lord, the journey of a lawyer, whether on the bench or at the bar, never ends, because you have to your contribution to the law and the society will continue. I, on behalf of members of the High Court Bar Association Jabalpur, and on my own behalf, wish my lord and his family members all the best and good health and prosperous life ahead. Thank you.
I request President High Court Bar Association in Indore, Shri Ritesh Nani, to deliver his farewell speech.
माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधीश श्री सुरेश कुमार के साहब, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री प्रकाश चंद्र गुप्ता साहब, उपस्थित माननीय न्यायमूर्ति गण एवं फैमिली मेंबर्स, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति गुप्ता साहब, श्री हरप्रीत सिंह जी रूपरा, एडिशनल एडवोकेट जनरल जबलपुर, श्री प्रवीण नेवास्कर, डेप्यूटी सॉलिसिटर जनरल यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया ग्वालियर, श्री राधेलाल गुप्ता जी, चेयरमैन मध्य प्रदेश स्टेट बार काउंसिल, श्री अमित जैन, सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हाईकोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन जबलपुर, श्री पवन पाठक जी, अध्यक्ष उच्च न्यायालय अभिभाषक संघ ग्वालियर, श्री संजय अग्रवाल, प्रेसिडेंट हाईकोर्ट एडवोकेट बार एसोसिएशन जबलपुर, श्री आदित्य अधिकारी जी, जनरल सेक्रेटरी सीनियर एडवोकेट काउंसिल जबलपुर। आज हम सभी माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री प्रकाश चंद्र गुप्ता साहब के सेवानिवृत्ति पर विदाई के अवसर पर उपस्थित हुए हैं। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री प्रकाश चंद्र गुप्ता साहब का जन्म 1 अप्रैल 1963 को हुआ था। आप 31 जुलाई 2002 को उच्च न्यायिक सेवा में शामिल हुए। उसके उपरांत आप न्यायिक अधिकारी के रूप में अपने कार्यकाल के दौरान जबलपुर, शाजापुर, उमरिया, मंडला, मनावर, धार, पन्ना, सीधी, मुरैना, ग्वालियर और उज्जैन में पदस्थ रहे। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति ने मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय जबलपुर में प्रिंसिपल रजिस्ट्रार और सतर्कता और ग्वालियर में जिला न्यायाधीश निरीक्षण के रूप में भी काम किया। मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय के न्यायाधीश रूप में पदोन्नति से पहले माननीय न्यायमूर्ति उज्जैन में प्रिंसिपल जिला और सत्र न्यायाधीश के रूप में पदस्थ थे। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति को 15 फरवरी 2022 को मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय के न्यायाधीश के रूप में शपथ दिलाई गई। वर्ष 2023 से लगभग 2 वर्षों तक माननीय न्यायमूर्ति इंदौर में आप पदस्थ रहे। इंदौर में पदस्थ होने के दौरान आपका सभी अभिभाषकों से सरल व सौम्य व्यवहार रहा। मैं अपनी ओर से उच्च न्यायालय अभिभाषक संघ के सभी सदस्यों की ओर से आपके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूं।
I request President High Court Bar Association Gwalior, Shri Pawan Pathak, to deliver his farewell speech.
माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधिपति श्री सुरेश कुमार के साहब एवं सभी माननीय न्यायमूर्तिगण, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री प्रकाश चंद्र गुप्ता जी, श्री हरप्रीत सिंह रूपरा, एडिशनल एडवोकेट जनरल ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश, श्री प्रवीण नेवास्कर, डिप्टी सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया, श्री राधेलाल गुप्ता जी, चेयरमैन स्टेट बार काउंसिल मध्य प्रदेश, श्री अमित जैन, सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हाईकोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन जबलपुर, श्री रितेश नानी, प्रेसिडेंट हाईकोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन इंदौर, श्री संजय अग्रवाल, प्रेसिडेंट हाईकोर्ट बार एडवोकेट बार एसोसिएशन जबलपुर, श्री आदित्य अधिकारी, जनरल सेक्रेटरी सीनियर एडवोकेट काउंसिल जबलपुर। आज हम श्री माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री प्रकाश चंद्र गुप्ता जी के विदाई समारोह के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति का जन्म 1 अप्रैल 1963 को हुआ था। आपके द्वारा वर्ष 31/7/2002 को हायर जुडिशरी में अपनी सेवाएं प्रारंभ की। आप डिस्ट्रिक्ट एवं सेशन जज के रूप में सीधी, मुरैना एवं उज्जैन में पदस्थ रहे। आपके द्वारा विभिन्न न्याय निर्णय पारित किए गए जो हम अधिवक्ताओं के लिए और न्यायालय के लिए काफी भविष्य में उपयोगी होंगे। मैं स्वयं की ओर से उच्च न्यायालय अभिभाषक संघ के प्रत्येक सदस्य की ओर से आपको स्वस्थ जीवन की कामना करता हूं और आपको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं प्रेषित करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
I request President High Court Advocates Bar Association Jabalpur, Sanjay Agarwal, to deliver his farewell speech.
Honorable the Chief Justice Shri Suresh Kumar Kat, Honorable Judges of the High Court, Honorable Shri Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta, Shri Harpreet Singh Rupra, Additional Advocate General, Shri Praveen Kumar Nevaskar, Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India, Shri Radhelal Gupta, Chairman State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Amit Jain, Senior Vice President, High Court Bar Association Jabalpur, Shri Ritesh Inani, President, High Court Bar Association Indore, Shri Pawan Pathak, President, High Court Bar Association Gwalior, Shri Adit Adhikari, Secretary, Senior Advocates Council Jabalpur, Officers of the Registry, family members of the Hon'ble Shri Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have assembled here to bid farewell to Hon'ble Shri Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta, who would debut office on attaining the age of superannuation on 31st March 2025 after a distinguished and a successful career. My Lord joined the Madhya Pradesh Higher Judicial Service as District Judge entry level on 31/7/2002. After serving in the subordinate judiciary in different capacities for about 20 years, 20 years, he was elevated as a judge of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh on 15/2/2022. During my Lord's posting in the High Court at Jabalpur, I had the privilege of appearing before him, and I always found him to be very courteous, polite, and having deep understanding of law, both procedural and substantive. All lawyers, whether senior or junior, left my Lord's court with utmost satisfaction of having heard patiently. My Lord's judgments are marked by erudition, fairness, and deep commitment to upholding the principles of justice. My Lord's dedication to the judiciary and his passion for the law have inspired countless advocates, judges, and litigants alike. As president of the association, it is my privilege to express heartfelt gratitude to my Lord for his tireless service, unwavering integrity, and unrelenting pursuit of excellence. I, on my own behalf and on behalf of the members of the association, wish my Lord a good health and all best wishes in his future pursuits.
I request General Secretary, Senior Advocates Council, Jabalpur, Sri Aditya Adhikari to deliver his farewell speech.
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice, my Lords, Honorable Companion Judges, and esteemed members of the legal fraternity. We assemble today to extend our heartfelt gratitude and bid farewell to Honorable Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta as he demits the high office of Judge of this Honorable High Court. Justice Gupta's distinguished judicial career has been marked by integrity, wisdom, and an unwavering commitment to justice. Having joined the Madhya Pradesh Higher Judicial Service in 2002 as a district judge, his tenure has been exemplary, serving in various capacities with diligence and judicial acumen. His elevation to this Honorable High Court in 2022 was a testament to his erudition and dedication. His Lordship has adjudicated complex legal matters with clarity and fairness. His courtroom has been a model of discipline, decorum, and equitable justice, earning the respect of the bar and the bench alike. Beyond his judicial work, he has been a mentor and guide, shaping the career of many young legal professionals. As Justice Gupta embarks on the next chapter of his journey, we are confident that his contributions to the legal field will continue in new and meaningful ways. His legacy of wisdom and integrity shall endure as an inspiration. On behalf of the Senior Advocates Council, my colleagues, and myself, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta for his dedicated service. We wish your Lordship a happy and fulfilling retirement, good health, and success in all your future endeavors. Thank you.
I request Honorable Sri Justice Prakash Chandra Gupta to reply to the farewell address.
Senior judges, brothers, and family members, and the retired judges, we are paid with law. Sri Ravi Kumar Pasha is by Indian Company. Radha Gupta, the administrator. Pradesh, Sri Amit Jain, thank you for this. Welcome. So we replace him on yes, Lord. Sri Raman Pata, thank you for this. Here, the Sanjay Agarwal, again, I go. Prepares to large and the Aditya Council. Members of the bar, officers of the ministry, their judges. To very deep, I express my gratitude to all the speakers who have just expressed their anyone in the fifth company. And here my journey takes a view. 23 years of my service in keeping this has been a very fulfilling journey, a very satisfying one. Began my journey in the field of law, right here in 1988 on behalf of the 11 years of dedication in Jabalpur, Chhattisgarh. Many of the guidance are there and के साथ भी related, which is related with their practical aspects of our field. After getting selected in the family services, I finally became of Madhya Pradesh. Became to Madhya Pradesh, only life has its own way to help you reach different extent. No other place can give you the autonomy and privilege to get in degree in upholding the constitutional values. I am honored to be a part of this team. I am grateful to my seniors and my brother and sister judges for their constant guidance, support and affection. I would especially like to extend my gratitude to Sri Justice Jabalpur as I got to learn a lot from him from a lesson there in ITC. I am thankful to Sri Justice Vivek Rusia, who shared DV with me, and I got lots of love, support, and opportunity from them. The bar has always been very cooperative. The issues and concerns that were persisting were actively solved. I am thankful to my court staff for assisting me with my work and have always rendered impeccable job. I am so grateful to the judges of various district courts wherein I have served. I am grateful to officer of the registry, Judicial Academy, protocol staff, secretariat staff, doctors, helpers, and security staff at office as well as at residence for always taking care of me and my family members. Their contributions cannot be weighed. I desire to see the law fraternity flourish as always. The relations of bar and bench must remain intact, and we must stand tall in support of each other. These days, I have observed that the relation between bar and bench is being hindered just on very trivial things, and I truly believe that the issue can be carved out by supporting and having faith on each other. The state government and the High Court must together take the inconveniences of advocates into consideration as well. Advocates are the officer of the court as well, and their dignity must also be maintained by providing them with the required means. In this long journey, begin on this side of the court, I have observed that a judge goes through several hardships, including pressure of disposal, being overburdened, inadequate infrastructure, workload, stress, and whatnot. But all this never taken into account, and we are blamed for n number of reasons. But nevertheless, we never tend to compromise with the responsibilities we are entrusted with. We all must look at the brighter side and keep hustling to find the solution to a problem rather than just to sit and discuss about it. From the last couple of years, we saw several unwarranted changes that brought lots of burden upon the judiciary and were not effective solution to the problems persistent. Rather, it increased mental and physical stress upon district courts as well as high court judges. Justice hurried is justice worried. Therefore, in requiring higher number of disposal, instead of putting pressure upon the judges, timely posting itself can be a big step. We must keep our health and especially our heart in priority. Age is just a number. And here in judiciary, the retirement age hits too early if compared to the judicial system of other countries. I wish to see positive changes on this note as well. We are certainly not that old. However, this is not the end, but just a change in the track to keep rendering my services. I certainly wouldn't have been here without the immense blessing and learning I got from my parents, late Sri Ramji Gupta, and mother, Srimati Bhagwati Gupta. Well, my journey would not have been this smooth without endless effort of my wife, Madhu. Every one of us belonging to the law fraternity sacrifice a lot, and a majority of this goes to not being able to have time for our family. But my wife stood strong and took care of everything. Truly, none of my words can express how grateful I am to hear her. My children, Preeti, Priya, Vikas, and Pragati, both of my son-in-laws, Rohit and Kunal, also understating. They never let me down and have always supported me. Here in the Indore itself, the Almighty blessed me with Divisa, my granddaughter, and I become Nana in Indore itself. I served the maximum period of my service in High Court, and undoubtedly every little, and this is so close to my heart. At last, it would like to end my word with a few lines. नींद भी खुली न थी कि हाय धूप ढल गई, नींद भी खुली न थी कि हाय धूप ढल गई, पांव जब तलक उठे कि जिंदगी फिसल गई. पात पात झड़ गए, शाख शाख जल गई, चाह तो निकल सकी न पर उम्र निकल गई. गीत अश्क बन गए, स्वप्न हो दफन गए, और हम झुके झुके मोड़ पर रुके रुके. उम्र के चढ़ाव और उतार देखते रहे, कारवां गुजर गया गुब्बार देखते रहे. Thank you, everyone.
May I have my Lord's kind permission to declare the farewell program closed? I declare the farewell program closed. Thank you. I request all the members to have a tea. Thank you. ये तो बोला था मैं आपको. ये क्या लिखा था आपने?